Hokoboriwa nigo kwarurwe gochia saba menyibe county ya Kisii koenekia korabare amaonchoria sogochora oborai oborache koenekia amagendero nabo igo bokoreri buya sogochori bore bosio ka okwana nabarikia mang'ana rituko ria rero yokorigia kerogo kyobo gavana county ya Kisii Jimmy Peter Momanyi nigatebire emeroberio nerororo ebwente kurusi wase chiserikali chichi county eira nigo ase serikali nne bunerie chisemi nabo iga sector yobochenu erikobeka emeroberio yaya kotwara oboteneri borobia.
I recommend education in the national government. Healthcare in the national government. I believe with them in advance. If I go before we into via Jagai County, Baba and Tabara Yande, Okonya knowledge. Chikavana Tiningo and Dubai, now by university, or in China, now by university. But locally here, they have nothing. Baba ngaina they are just deprived and we are attacking resources from the people. Abantu by Kisii County. Change ya okokoko. Change ya brengere. Yani no banyende muna bantu ba Kisii County. Muyanjete. Onyende muyanjete. You could not be running for honor. You could be learning to search for good leaders.